Na mamlaka ya usimamizi wa maji kupitia afisa mkuu mtendaji Mohamed Shuria amewahimiza Wakenya kutuma maombi ya vibali vya maji ya visima kwa mujibu wa sheria. Afisa huyo mkuu pia amewataka watu walio na vibali vilivyokamilika muda wake kupata vingine vipya. Kwa sasa kuna vibali takriban 31,000 vilivyotamatika muda wake.
It's very clear. We have what we have classes of our permit process, classes or we have class A, B, C, D. So there's a social class where we don't charge. That's class A. So even class A, you have to come and register with us. You have to now, show your interest. We record, then we allow you to abstract. But by law, what I want to tell Kenyans is, by law, you cannot abstract water without any permit. Please, you should, and get the permit, because we have get the permit from WRA, because we have over 32 offices all over the country.
To ensure access to water rights under our 2010 Constitution, Kenyans are supposed to access. They have a right to access maji, and it is under this fulfillment of Article 43(1)(d) of the Constitution of Kenya 2010. The authority is also mandated to collect, analyze, and disseminate water resources data to Kenyans. You're required to get a permit for several purposes here. A permit is required for any use of water from water resources from both surface water and underground water.
Na mtazamaji, kwa taarifa hiyo KTN leo weekendi tunachukua mapumziko mafupi kisha turejee tungali na mengi.